Take a bath daily. Always listen to your parents and teachers. Keep your room tidy. Don't waste food. Chew your food properly. Help with household chores. Wash your hands before meals. Brush your teeth. Wash your face daily. Eat fruits and vegetables daily. Speak politely with everyone. Don't interrupt others when they are speaking. Say sorry when you are wrong. Don't hurt others. Be a good sport when you lose. Say good night before bed. Always speak truthfully. Don't talk with food in your mouth. Good job, learners! That's a wrap for today. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button for more such content.